Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa wave pool again. Wait lang. Puntatin natin to. Gawin natin realistic. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, this looks so cool. Wow, ang galing nito. OMG, nice. Wow, tumataas pala yung wave pero hindi ako nagfo-float. Bakit? Oh, nalulunod lang ako. Oh. Parang nag-flood yung Punta tayo dito. Ting, ting. Masira yung PC ko. Wow, ang galing pala kapag realistic yung water. Oh my gulay. Oh, nalunod ako. OMG, it's so nice. Ang galing. Okay, next game. Gawin mo muna natin itong Ayan, tsaka live. Okay, play tayo ng Cook Burgers. I'm only the one. Ay, kala ko. Okay, gagawa nga. Wait lang, pause ko muna to guys. Okay guys, so na-make ko ang burger na may sauce. Meron pang tomato. Sa katabi ng ban lettuce. May rat pa. Okay, dito natin bibigay. Sabihin mo perfect. It was thanks. It was exactly. Di kita gagrab at saka di kita tatapon. Who make that burger? It's not nice. OMG. OMG. Kukunin ko ang rat. Ano yun? Just leave. Oh, see Brookhaven. Brookhaven tayo. Free camp for OMG. Ay, oh. Grabe, ba't may basa na agad yung mouse ko? Okay. Wait lang, pause natin. Ulitin natin, guys. Okay guys, so bumabalik nga pala tayo. Okay. I'm going to spawn ganyan. Spawn din ako ng truck. Ayan. OMG, ba't ganun? Barney Sedana sound. He is kinda pangit. Ang galing! Oh, ang galing ng truck natin, guys. Record pa ako. What happened? Can someone help? What happened to my truck? Oh my. Akin na. Hindi ako makalabas. My truck is actually stuck. Ulitin natin. Ano kasing nangyayari? Okay. And horse. Uminom ako ng Ascop yung matutulog pa lang kami. Kasi inuubo kasi ako eh. Oh, perfect! How do you do that? Oh. Don't push me. Like this. Oh, Barney is a dinosaur and he is kinda pa. Ayun! OMG! Ano na naman nangyari sa truck? Oh! How di Carabao? Oh! Chill! What happened? Huh? I'm gonna spawn a truck again. Okay, spawn 10 ng truck. Don't push me. Oh! That is... I got a horse. Tatalunin natin. Oh! Umuusog yung truck. Oh no! Tumalun. Ayun. Barney is a dinosaur and he is kinda pa. Oh. Wow! Ano nangyari sa gulong? Oh, what happened? Yeah, the gulong. Oh my gulay! Anong nangyayari? Oh no, we are stuck again. Anong nangyayari kasi sa gulong? Tititirin tin 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 tan tan. Tu tatutu. Turur. Tuturu. Ay, ulit. Oh, don't push the truck. Just get inside. Oh, alam ko na. Pindutin natin to. Ayan. Titirin tin titirin tin 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 tin. Tutaru. Turarara. Barney dinosaur and he is kinda pangit. No. Oh my, yan na naman yung truck. Stop pushing me down. Oh my. Barney is a dinosaur and oh, perfect. No, it's not perfect. Sino? Sila Kevin? Okay. Oh lalaruin natin. It's yung water. Anong mali dalawang tower? Di mo. Anong tawere? Ganun ba yung pagsispell? Tawere duwana. Ayan, eto. Okay. May tao pa nga, oh. Papaiyakin ko yun. Okay, gagamitin natin yung kasi TP tool. Ayan. Tsaka, oh! Hey! Get me door! Oh! Wow! Paano mo nagagawa yan? Wow! Paano niya nagawa? Oh, eh. How did I stuck in the floor? Ayun! Gamitin natin yung TP tool. OMG. Teleport ako, sorry. What? How do you do that? Oh, not na! I'm gonna bully you because you stole my card. Wait lang guys, pause muna natin hanggat malib siya. Okay guys, so pinaalis na nga pala natin yung player. Okay, gagamitin natin yung TP tool. Ay, na-teleport ako, sorry. Wait! How do you do that? Oh, ouch! OMG, what happened? Ba't gumagalaw yung train kahit walang tao? Gagamitin natin yung TP tool. Okay, dito natin Okay. Quickly! Yeah! Naging invisible na naman ako. Help! Hey! Can I touch this checkpoint? It will work or not? Okay. It works! Tara guys, gugulatin natin yung player. Haha. Okay, stop hahaing me. Okay. Oh. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Wait lang. I died. At saka ba't na teleport ang train? Ay, di naman pala. Gagamitin natin yung TP tool. Oh, na-teleport ako. Sorry. What? How do you do that? Ba't gumagala yung train kahit walang tao? Ayan, no? Stop na yung record. Stop.